If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to download and install ChatGuru AI, chatbot assistant on Mac. While anyone can use ChatGPT on any device via the website, a dedicated app is easier and preferable for some users. I personally like ChatGuru AI chatbot assistant from the Apple Store on my Mac. You can install it as any other apps and use it immediately. Here is a demo about me asking it to write me a story about hybrid cars. Once upon a time, there was a world where cars ran on petrol or diesel, polluting the air with their emissions and harming the planet. But then, a new kind of vehicle was invented, the hybrid car. Hybrid cars were different from traditional petrol cars because they had both an electric motor and a petrol engine. This meant that they could run on electricity alone, saving on fuel consumption and reducing harmful emissions, or use their petrol engine when needed for longer journeys or more power. At first, hybrid cars were rare and expensive, but as their popularity grew, more and more manufacturers started producing them. People loved the idea of being able to save money on fuel while also helping the environment. As technology improved, hybrid cars became even more efficient, with some models able to travel long distances on electricity alone. They also became more affordable and accessible to everyday drivers. Thanks to the innovation and popularity of hybrid cars, the world started to become a cleaner and greener place. People were able to travel in comfort and style, while also doing their part to protect the environment. And so, the world of hybrid cars became a game changer, paving the way for a more sustainable future. It's that simple. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.